I recently built me a fresh freestyle quad on the 533 flip switch frame and used the HDZero Freestyle V2. This is the story of how I almost hated that VTX. Now, I'm not a wicked killer freestyle pilot, but it is how I like to chill at the end of a long day. You know, just rip a few packs. And a while back, I recall having a very straightforward conversation with my friend Mark Two Dog about how if HDZero ever released a freestyle VTX that wasn't the size of a dump truck, then I'd buy it. So, money where my mouth is, I guess, and after how much I loved my 533 footy, I really wanted to give their new flip switch a go. So why not both at once? So, I ordered the frame and the VTX from 533, and the next weekend I built this sweet tricked out quad. And all was right in the world. Or so I thought. See, I went out to fly it and noticed a lot of sparkles when I armed. Honestly, at first I chalked it up to the neighborhood interference, so I took it to the track and nope, it was even garbage there too. So even after unlocking and running a full 1 watt, it really didn't get much better range. So I took the power off the flight controller, put it on a Maytech Beck, coming straight off the battery lead with a fat capacitor, and no change. I changed the antenna, no change. Frustration was setting in. So when we decided to catch up at the track for the day, I figured I'd give it one last try and remount the VTX to the frame using the included VHB, because I had mounted the VTX to the frame using M2 bolts and nylock nuts. I personally hate having to use adhesive mounts on anything. It's just a personal thing, but there's really nothing wrong with it. So then I threw it out on the field for one last attempt, and like magic, the beautiful, crisp, clean image that I wanted from the beginning stayed after I armed. I took flight, and it was everything I hoped it would be. And since then, I've flown countless packs and have absolutely fallen in love with the entirety of this quad. Now, does the 1 watt VTX penetrate like my Walksnail dual antenna quad? Not really, but I don't need it to. It fires up right away whenever I want to fly, and I really am enjoying that analog feel to my flight, but with a much more confident image. And one I can consider leaving the action camera behind, with making me an even riskier pilot in riskier places. Either way, that's the short story of how I almost fell in hate with my HDZero Freestyle V2 VTX, but instead, it was a happy ending. Now stick around for part 2 of my analog experience, because it's not ending up quite like I thought it would. So make sure you like and subscribe and do all that stuff, and we'll catch you in that one.
Everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good.